Right, here we have this lovely Wilesco D455. The steam is up, so it's taking fire while I swap hands to fire this up. Oh, hang on. There we go. There we go. Perfect. I'll just turn this round. Not do this one-handed. No practice. There we go. There's that. Beautiful engine. Bought this as a non-runner. It had obviously been dropped because the chimney was busted. That flywheel was touching that boiler but didn't actually damage it, and for some reason the base was this horrible red. So obviously I've resprayed the base to nearly the right colour. There's a replacement chimney on there, which the new one I bought, I stripped down and just replaced the bit I needed for that, so it's all the original engine still, apart from that piece. I love Wilesco whistles, they're fantastic, and the engines, look at it, smooth as silk. Power on there. An example there of the slip eccentric, which allows it to go both directions, or either direction rather. Very, very powerful engine. Just apologies it's not running anything tonight because I really haven't had time to set up like I usually set up all my toys and bits and pieces that these engines run, and very frustrating not to see it running the old Wilesco fairground, but that's for a later date. Look at it. Give it a slow running. Look at that. Oh, a little bit more, I think, just a touch. Look, I'll say it again, look at that. Beautiful. This one's got a nice pressure gauge on it, which is reading 0.6 of a bar at the moment, or about 8 psi I suppose. Right, quick burst. Out there, you want to put your finger in there? No, I'm not going to. Excellent, just caught a that's it. You've just caught the wagon wheel effect there on the flywheel. Never ceases to amaze me. Little things leave little minds, I suppose. Let's not go around here without putting a bigger shadow on it. I think, did I get it in? I can't see. I can't be able to get up. The annoying thing is, these things are designed just to run on tablets. Bit is it, or whatever it's called, which is in there at the moment. I have got a small ceramic burner that'll fit in there. But, I just thought I would run it as this thing was designed to be run. I mean, that's heated that water up from cold. I haven't got a clock in here with me at the moment, but I mean, I should imagine that's coming up to, oh, it's like this on my camera, 5 minutes 37 seconds. Well, you know, most of the smaller Mammods and Wilescos, what, 6-7 minutes, 8 if you're lucky. Quite rare, these things. I've only ever seen 2. One of them I bought. I know it weren't running, but it is now. That's probably the other bit dying down now, I thought. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's gone, isn't it? Look, there you go. All gone. And it's still running on steam. Fantastic. So there it is, just coming to a standstill there. So that's my Wilesco D455. Brilliant things. Lovely, lovely engine. Thank you. That's it.